Hi, this is Luke from Tyre Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Nissan Dualis, stock number 6216. This ran from the 10th 2007 to the 5th 2014. It has an MR 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the MR 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 16-inch spare steel wheel good tyre. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate 1 dent in the right hand corner. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front headlight. Right front guard no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.